Hello everyone and welcome back to Smart Gadgets. Today we're going to review the brand new Xiaomi Mi Band 7 smartwatch. We will be seeing what we have in the box, the design, what materials it is made of, and what options we have in the software. We will run some tests and try some of the measurements and see if this watch is worth buying. In the next video, we'll see how to connect with Android and iOS, which app it uses, and what options we have in these apps. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So, let's begin here immediately with the new Xiaomi Mi Band 7. Here we have the box, so let's unwrap it and have a look at what's inside. On the box, we can see some of the specifications and features that the watch has. As you can see in the box, we have the watch, we have the manual that shows us how to use it, so if you want you can give it a read before you try it. Also, we have the charging cable which we use to charge our watch, which uses magnetic charging. The Mi Band 7 battery life is stated as 14 days of typical use by Xiaomi and 9 days of heavy use. It has a 180 mAh battery capacity. The 13.5 gram light device is still pleasant to wear. Basically, you will forget that you are wearing it at all. The attached strap is made of TPU material and is antibacterial. Compared to the Xiaomi Mi Band 6, the Mi Band 7 upsizes several features. It packs a larger battery, a bigger screen, and more sport tracking modes. There are also new features for serious physical trainers, continuous SpO2 monitoring with alerts, and several new colors. It comes in a range of colors: black, orange, olive, pink, ivory, and blue. There will also be neon green, neon orange, khaki green, and khaki blue extra band options available. The Mi Band 7 uses a 1.62-inch AMOLED with a 490 by 192 resolution. Compared to the Mi Band SX's 1.56-inch AMOLED with 486 by 152 resolution panel, that's a noticeable size up. With this larger display, Xiaomi's also improved the UI, bringing in new icons, animations, and a revised visual aesthetic that should make peeking at data easier. Also, it has more than 100 watch faces that you can download via the app. Each watch face has unique designs, also those have an always-on display. The Chinese Mi Band 7 has a model which features NFC with Xiaomi's voice assistant. It also supports contactless payments. The new Mi Band includes 120 sports tracking modes. That's likely more than any one user would employ, but it's great for multi-sport enthusiasts on a budget. As for health tracking, the continuous all-day tracking of blood oxygen is now available on the Mi Band 7, which can also push alerts in real time when low blood oxygen is detected. The Mi Band 7 can monitor training load, recovery duration, and training effect. These three factors help contextualize the impact exercise has on the body and make for a more complete picture than simple metrics like calories burned. VO2 max monitoring is another new feature to monitor maximum oxygen intake, and continuous SpO2 monitoring to keep tabs on blood oxygen saturation levels. The Mi Band 7 will also alert users if this figure falls below 90%. Beyond these new features, all the basic fitness tracking smarts make a return. Heart rate monitoring, daily steps, distance, caloric burn, and sleep tracking are all included. Stress tracking and women's health monitoring round out the offering. It will also keep tabs on stress levels and alert if it detects high levels. Sleep tracking is also on board, and the Mi Band 7 will look at breathing quality during rest, which can be a sign of underlying conditions such as sleep apnea. You can answer calls, set an alarm clock or Pomodoro timer, control the music playing on your smartphone, get the updates of your social media services and messengers, search for your smartphone, and on and on. In addition to the features mentioned above, This Mi Band 7 can track several sports activities including indoor running, cycling, rowing, gymnastics, sport walking, spinning bike, sit-ups, rugby, hockey, volleyball, tennis, baseball, cricket, football, basketball, mountaineering, badminton, table tennis, skipping, swimming, outdoor running and more. Additional features are an SpO2 blood oxygen monitor, sedentary reminders, stopwatch, breathing training, notification reminder, and many more. The wearable has a heart rate sensor, which collects data on our heart rate over 24 hours. This smart band also helps you to control your sleep, thanks to its complete sleep monitor. It also has a pedometer and allows us to control and estimate the calories burned throughout the day. Huawei Band 7 is a 5 ATM waterproof smartwatch that offers protection up to a depth of 50 meters. It can be worn worry-free for daily use or when swimming. Then on the bottom, we've got settings where we have options like watch face. We have some of the faces we can choose from to change it, and you can change it in an instant by choosing it. As you can see, we can change the face, and if we press on the watch face and hold on to it for 5 seconds. Here we can choose the time and date format. Next, we have display and brightness. We have the brightness settings to leave whatever brightness we see fit, from 1 to 5, or auto adjust. Also, we have screen on time, always on, wake on wrist, the screen always in screen on upon notification setting. Here can set parameters of those options. Also, we have do not disturb option to turn it on or off, to schedule it, or to put it on smart mode where it will begin when you go to sleep. Next, we have a lock screen, and we can set the lock screen with swipe key or device password. Here we can activate battery save mode. Next up we've workout, and we can activate the auto detect option for running, walking, elliptical, and rowing machines. Next, we have performances. Here we can set vibration level, change band language, screen wake up method, and press and hold the watch face to change the watch face. In the system option, we have the about, restart, shut down, and factory reset if we want to go back to default or we want to connect with another phone. Now we're going to put on the watch and test some of the measurement options for ourselves. First up, let's go to the heart rate monitor, which constantly will measure your heart rate and can show you your previous and average heart rate. Mi Band 7 tracks your real-time heart rate 24 hours a day and delivers precise reviews in easy-to-read graphs. The band will vibrate to alert when your heart rates fall out of the safe zone. Next, let's try the SpO2 measurement and measure our O2 levels. This takes some time, and it shows your current state of O2 levels and also shows your previous and average O2 levels. Blood oxygen saturation, SpO2, is a key indicator of a person's overall health, reflecting the oxygen levels in the blood. The band grants your peace of mind by testing the blood oxygen level automatically during sleep and manually whenever you need it. So, this is pretty much it for the watch. I really enjoyed reviewing this model, and it's a really great watch, so I really liked it. It's really easy to use, pretty fast, and has everything you would want in a watch. In the next video, we will see how to connect it with Android and iOS, which apps it uses, and what options we have in these apps, so stay tuned for that. So, guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video with another smart device.